Searching for a fast, low-cost area rug cleaning service in Palm Beach, Florida? Look no further. We specialize in both commercial and residential carpet cleaning, ensuring your space not only looks impeccable, but also promotes a healthier environment for your family or clients. Our deep cleaning services tackle the unseen dangers lurking in your rugs, leaving them spotless and sanitized. Concerned about credentials? Rest easy knowing we are fully licensed and insured, providing you with peace of mind and reliability. Need it fast? We've got you covered with same-day service that doesn't compromise on quality. With over 30 years of experience, our expertise in rug cleaning is unmatched in the Palm Beach community. From Persian to Oriental, wool to modern, our deep cleaning services cater to a variety of materials. Whether it's a treasured antique or a contemporary piece, our skilled team handles each rug with the utmost care. Say goodbye to moldy odors, harmful bacteria, and the risk of damaged furniture. For a healthier, cleaner home in Palm Beach Gardens in West Palm Beach, Florida, trust us to elevate your living space. Ready to refresh your rugs? Give us a call at 561-202-3373 to schedule your cleaning or to answer any questions. Let us transform your area rugs into the cleanest they've ever been.